Here is my 3-step blueprint for AI film. Step 1. Concept and framework. I start with Gemini to lock down the script, storyboard, and emotion tone. No matter how powerful the AI is, without a clear visual style pacing from the start, output will fall apart. For product demos, I have Claude Code to write code directly with remotion skills. It completely crushed manual editing efficiency with the ability to read GitHub repos. Step 2. Asset generation. Cinematic shots. I rely entirely on Kling AI because the character framing and transition are stable and it's cheap. High-end. I use Seedence to keep movements fluid and natural. I use MidJourney for visual reference and Minimax for direct voice-over. Step 3. Compiling and consistency. I use a fixed formula structure for every single prompt, locking in the lighting, color grading, and camera angles. I also build digital human assets beforehand so faces never glitch or drift.